Hey guys, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Grass, okay? So you're wondering, can you make income passively by sharing your internet with this particular piece of software, right? It's called Grass. I'm going to review it. Let's find out exactly how this works. Is it worth your time? How much money can you really make, okay? Or are there better ways for you to make money on the internet, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, you just need your computer and the internet. Go ahead and click the link below and I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email if you want to check that out, okay? Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, all sorts of different make money online style websites, businesses, services, different types of business models online, courses, things like that. And some of them are great and you can make quite a lot of money, but a lot of them are actually not that good, a bit of a waste of time, and they don't make you that much money. So you have to really think about whether it's worth your time to explore some of these opportunities. So let's take a look at Grass to find out whether it's legit, how much can you earn, and is it a good use of your time, okay? Now, Grass is actually brand new, all right? So at the time of recording this video, Grass is basically a very, very new piece of software that allows you to make money by sharing your unused internet bandwidth, all right? So there are other really cool softwares like this, cool services. I'll share that with you in a minute, and I'm just gonna show you how this stacks up to some of them, right? So how this actually works is it's very simple. It's a global piece of software, right? And all you do is you just register with the company, you get access, okay, and then you download Grass onto your computer, right? And then once you download it, it's actually a Chrome extension. Okay, so it's very different to some other platforms. This one's a Chrome extension, and you just let it run in the background, and that's all you do. You don't really do anything else. You leave your internet on, you leave your computer on, right? And the Chrome extension will run in the background, and based on your location, okay, so this is very important. If you're based in a part of the world where they need more bandwidth for their particular clients, right, to share your internet, your unused internet, by the way, right? So they're not going to tap into bandwidth that you're already using. So if you use a certain amount of internet every day, but then for the rest of the day you're not active, your computer's just kind of sitting there doing nothing, they will take that bandwidth and they will share it with their customers, their clients, and then they will pay you a little bit for the bandwidth that you're not using. This is how this works, okay? This is pretty common nowadays, right? There are quite a few companies that do that, like Honeygain and like Pawns. I'll share the websites with you in a second, and it's pretty cool. It's kind of like it's like crowdfunding your unused bandwidth. That's kind of how it works. And then you get paid by the company for doing that. It's pretty cool, okay? But the big question is how much money can you make, right? Well, this really depends on where you're based in the world. You see, if you are based in a part of the world where they've got a lot of bandwidth and a lot of clients that they need to share this with, then you get paid a little bit more. But if you're based in part of the world where they don't need as much bandwidth in that part of the world, then you're going to earn less. Okay, we'll talk about how much you can really earn after that, right? But as you can see, this is basically how this works, right? You get, again, everything that I mentioned earlier. You just let it run in the background. You get points, okay, for unused bandwidth, and then you can change them into rewards, okay? Again, it's based on your geographic location, your unique IP address, right? And how much can you actually make, right? So again, download, create account, and you earn, okay? Now here's the thing. What are the rewards, all right? So here's the first thing about Grass that you have to understand. It says eventually what will happen is you get actually unused bandwidth up to $30 per month. Okay, now here's the thing though about Grass, because Grass is a very, very new company. At the time of recording this video, they're still not paying people out yet, but what they will do is they will pay people out in terms of gift cards, cryptocurrency, and PayPal. This is very normal, okay? It's very, very normal for this style of website to pay out in these three options: cryptocurrency, gift cards, and PayPal. So at the time of recording this video, you're just going to get points. You're not really going to get any money yet, but eventually they're going to implement this. So it's up to you whether you want to try this service or not. Now, because this video is going to be on YouTube for a long time, you might be watching this at a time where Grass is not in beta anymore, okay? And they really have these payout options, and you will be able to actually withdraw it through crypto, through gift cards, and through PayPal. It just depends on when you're watching this, all right? But very likely that they'll be able to activate that soon. Now, it does say here that you can earn up to $30 per month, but I do want to say that it is unlikely that you will make $30. And the reason why I say that is because I've reviewed other businesses that are very, very similar to Grass, right? And I'll show you them right now. Like Honey Gain, which is a very, very popular one, where you share your bandwidth is exactly the same, and you can sign up for Honey Gain too if you want. And here's another one, Pawns.app, where you also share your internet, right? But these two, which have been in the marketplace for quite a while, you can't make up to $30, okay? With Honey Gain, we're looking at like $5 to $10 a month, maybe $15, okay? Pawns is also very similar, $5 to $10, maybe $15 a month. So it's very unlikely that you will earn $30 a month with Grass, because it's not industry standard to pay that much, okay? So I would say expect to earn closer to $5 to $10 a month sharing your bandwidth if you decide to use any kind of service like this. Any sort of internet bandwidth sharer, okay, where you can make a bit of money sharing your bandwidth, $5 to $10, that's pretty standard, okay? But it's free, it's legit, it's free. You're not doing anything. You don't have to run around, pick up stuff, sell products, nothing like that. This is just, you download the application, you let it run in the background, and then you add up points, and at the end of the month you can check your interface, and then you can, you know, withdraw that through PayPal or gift cards or cryptocurrency. You know, again, at this time they're not paying out right now, but they probably will do soon if this project or if this particular, you know, opportunity and software works out well. Okay, so you're gonna have to take that risk depending on when you're watching this video, right? But it's pretty likely that these guys will do okay. Just don't expect this much money because, again, internet bandwidth sharing companies, $5 to $10 a month for sharing your bandwidth is pretty normal. That's what I would say. Again, depending on where you live in the world. Okay, so that's my review of Grass. If you want to check them out, you can download them at getgrass.io. All right, and you can check them out if you would like to find a way to just earn a little bit more money on the side sharing your bandwidth. Now, here's the thing about sharing your bandwidth, right? Look, you're not going to get rich. Okay, the cool thing is that this is legit. It's real. You can make money just by doing nothing, right? But it's not life-changing income. I mean, what are you going to do with $10 extra a month? Really? You know, if you were to download all three of these, it's great. You know, it's a, you know, at least this is a way for you to make some additional money doing nothing, right? But even if you downloaded all three, we're talking about a total here of maybe $30 per month extra, right? What can you do really with $30 a month extra? You could probably pay a bill. You could probably have a nice, you know, a good lunch, maybe, maybe a nice dinner, and that's it, right? It's not gonna help you to travel the world, retire, you know, retire your parents or become millionaires, nothing like that, right? But it's a good step forward. Okay, now if you would like to take an even bigger leap forward and learn how to generate hundreds of dollars a day, right? Here's my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 every single month, right? This is a very particular skill set, and if you would like to check that out, you can just click the link below and I will send you that strategy for free straight to your email, and you can check that out. And that really is life-changing income if you're serious about learning a skill that will help you to change your life. Okay, so you can check that out if you want. I hope you enjoyed this review of Grass, and I hope to see you on another product review video very, very soon. Take care.